come to help me cross the street? My studs! He's dead! He's dead!
With decent road funding, that young boy you see there would still be alive today. Hi. You might be asking yourself right now, is that Will Smith on my screen? No, I'm his son, Jaden Smith. You might remember me from that one movie with The Rock. Well, I'm here today with an important message. I call that we as a country group together and call for more construction on the roads and less deconstruction on the roads. Vote yes on Proposition 29.
There's a car! There's a car!